a7iii here, and I wanted to introduce my new series of Sony a7 III, also referred to as Sony a7 Mark III. Got a series of tutorial videos. You can check the link within this video's description to find all of those tutorials. I'm going to cover an array of topics ranging from the video settings that I use, how I'm filming this video right now utilizing the mobile app, the settings that I use for still photos, the lenses that I use, the settings that I use when I'm using a particular lens. So it's not necessarily geared towards professional photographers, although some of the tips may benefit you. My objective is to overly simplify everything, but provide you with enough information so hopefully you can dig into your a7 III's interface and mimic the steps that I perform and hopefully achieve maybe even better results. So thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe, thumbs up this video if you like it, share with others, and check the link within this video's description to find all of those tutorials. Thanks for watching, and y'all have a good day. Hey y'all, a7iii here. If you enjoyed this video, please be sure to subscribe, like, and share. It's viewers like you that enable my channel to continue to grow. Thank you.